Making friends on campus. If you haven't found your friend group yet, you may be surprised to know that you're not alone. This is a very common experience for first-year students and transfer students within the first 6 weeks. There are plenty of opportunities to meet people on campus and form connections. Here are a few ways to jumpstart friendships and have some fun along the way. There are built-in ways to meet people without even leaving your residence hall. CA events and hall council meetings are just a few of these examples. Your new bestie might be just down the hall. You can also get your workout on at the rec center with a new gym buddy or find a study buddy at the library. Find a new friend at the dining hall and bond over our delicious food and fun events. You can even make friends in class by sitting next to new people. Use the MyKU mobile app to share important news, ask questions, or post a funny meme to share with other students. With over 200 clubs on campus, you have countless opportunities to express yourself and meet your people. Still struggling? Reach out to your CA. They might know just the right way to connect you to campus life.